you're looking for a reliable refreshment solution or vending machine supplier for your business, then Coinadrink are the ideal solution for you. Coinadrink have been established since 1962 and are one of the most reliable vending machine suppliers in the UK. They provide high-quality solutions in hot and cold drinks, fresh food, snacks and water, with a wide choice of tabletop machines, floor-standing vending machines, water coolers and their innovative micro-markets, which are quickly becoming the revolution in workplace refreshments. Being based in Walsall, near the M6 Junction 10, Coinadrink's reputation is second to none, with happy customers up and down the region. These include Birmingham, Leicester, Coventry, Worcester, Staffordshire, Telford, Derby, Stoke-on-Trent, to name but a few. As their advanced service plans include one of the fastest response times in the industry, you know with Coinadrink, you're always in good hands. So, if you're looking for a vending machine or a reliable refreshment solution for your business, why not get in touch to see what we can do for you? 100% hassle-free. Coinadrink. More than just vending.